Hey, Carol, this is Cousin John, and I wanted to play this tune for you because it's a tune I really like. But the cool thing is that I heard somebody else playing it outside early one morning. I'll explain what I mean a little bit later. But anyway, I'm going to play this tune, and then I'll play the other one singing that tune. All right. So that was Arlie's Big Day, one of my favorite tunes. But I was really surprised to hear almost exactly that same tune coming from outside my bedroom window at about 5:30 one morning. So I rushed outside and I held up the recorder, and I think this is the likely culprit. Take a listen. So yeah, I think it was a magpie. They are known for imitating voices and sounds and things. And a friend told me that they thought that that was probably a magpie singing that tune. I don't know when it heard it because it had been a long time since I played that outside, but somewhere or other it probably picked it up. And anyway, just to finish off, uh, I'll play a little video clip of a magpie playing with a puppy dog. This is kind of a cool clip. All right. Hope you enjoyed it. Have an awesome day. Love you. Bye.